Action!
You're not fucking director.
I'm the birthday girl.
You're not the director.
Action!
Yeah! How's it going, boys and girls? It's your man Mason here, and welcome to my second video of my YouTube channel. Today is a special one for me. I've been looking forward to this for a long time, and I'm going to be putting my Sunstrip on my car today. I cannot wait to see how this is going to look. If you are new to my channel, guys, then please do subscribe. Every bit of support means the world to me, and it makes me so excited to make more videos for you guys to have a look at too. So, got a parcel delivered today, and I believe it's from my SEAT Vinyl company. I'm just going to carefully. If it is, then I'm going to be extremely happy because I've been waiting for this for a while. Let's pull out the first bit. Oh dear, oh my god, there's stuff flying everywhere. Ooh, bloody hell, guys. How many have you sent me? So, first of all, they've been lovely enough to send me them, if you can see them. And that's my little Instagram, which I think is quite awesome. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, that's your business card. I like your business card. Your business card is cool. It's very nice. And you've been kind enough to also send me your logo. I don't know if you can see that very well, but yeah, that's your logo, and that's going to be good. That's a really nice logo. That's going to look quite sexy on my car. I'm looking forward to putting that on there. Also, if you sent me another logo, and another logo, and another logo. How many cards do you think I've got? But no, these are going to go all over my car, absolutely plastered. I might even put one on my missus' car if she lets me.
No.
No. Oh, yes, the time has come. I finally got my matte black Sunstrip. It's going to look rather sexy on my car. It's a little bit big, but I'm going to cut this down to size very soon. The best is yet to come. I have what is going on top of the Sunstrip. Oh, this is sexy. Ooh, ooh, yes. Yes, I would very much like to make love to this. I'm only joking. But this is going to be going on my Sunstrip. It is in gloss black, and it's going on top of matte black, which I'm actually quite looking forward to seeing. But as you can see, it says Goku, because I'm going for a bit of a Dragon Ball Z theme in my car. And at the top here, we've got two symbols that I really liked, and they're going to go either side of the writing. One there, with the writing Goku there. I think this looks rather sexy. I'm actually rather impressed with that. I cannot wait to see what it's like putting it on, and if I'm actually able to get it all perfectly straight. But so all this stuff today has come from SEAT Vinyl, and are on their little card here. Vinyl stickers, decals and custom clothing since 2019, so you're fairly a new company. SEAT Vinyl is actually one of our sponsors for our Modified SEAT Owners page on Facebook, so please do go and check out these guys. These guys have sorted out all of our custom clothing, a couple of hoodies and stuff like that I've got, as well as lanyards, other bits and pieces. These guys, they do it all. And please make sure that you do check out their page. They are on Instagram and Facebook, and all the details are just on that card there, if you can see that. Moving on, guys, I managed to pick up this, and this is a kit that I ordered from eBay, I do believe, and it cost me about £10. This kit includes everything you're going to need to put on Sunstrips, all the little decals you're going to put on your car. This kit comes with, let me have a look at this bit first. This is a rather nice knife. That's going to come in quite handy for when I'm trimming down the Sunstrip. That's quite cool. Got these things here which are quite handy for when you're actually wiping down surfaces and wanting to get everything nice and stuck down to all your bits and pieces on your car. So these are quite cool. They're made out of a decent plastic actually. Quite soft, I like that. And a nice little velvety piece on there to make sure that you don't scratch anything that you're putting on your car. Really. The next bit is, oh, this is going to come in really handy for when we're doing wrapping paper. Laura, I figured out a way you can get straight lines when you're doing wrapping now, darling. But this is really, really cool. So that's that bit there, and that's for when you're cutting nice straight lines, not having to use scissors and getting all those little marks in every time you go up. So that's pretty cool. What we've got here, we've got some, I do believe, replacement blades. So quite a few replacement blades in there for the knife. You get quite a lot in there actually. So that's cool. I like that. These are going to come in really, really handy for when I'm actually doing the Sunstrip. Make life a lot easier. It's got a nice little clip there as well actually. You can clip it onto yourself while you're busy doing other bits and pieces, but that's cool. Yeah, like I said, this cost me about £10 from eBay. Just searching vinyl wrapping tools or something like that. That's what I searched for, and it came up with this, and didn't take long to come really. So yeah guys, moving on, I'm going to be putting my Sunstrip on now. Hopefully it goes all according to plan, and it's going to look absolutely fucking beautiful. Cannot wait to see how this looks. So the Sunstrip is finally on, guys, and oh my god, it looks amazing. I'm so happy with how this has turned out. I've done a pretty good job, if I must say so myself too. But hat off to CR Vinyl as well for sending me all these bits and pieces. They look absolutely amazing. Oh my god. Look at it yourself. It looks pretty damn awesome. I'm happy with it. Hope you guys are happy with it. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Please give it a like if you have liked everything I've done in this video as well. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Be one of my loyal followers. Well, thank you very much for joining me today, guys. That is it from me. But please do like and subscribe. And I look forward to dropping my next video very, very soon. Take care, guys, and stay safe.